Hello everyone, this is David and welcome to Coding Destination channel on YouTube. So in today's project we are going to create a small function that types the text we give letter by letter automatically. So firstly, let's see the overview of today's project. If I reload the page, as you can see, it is just typing the text I give. So we are going to create this typing function using JavaScript, and it's very easy. If you are creating an app or a website, this function is going to be very useful, and it's going to make your website more attractive. So let's get down to the business. So firstly, I opened my Sublime Text. As you can see here, I have an empty file with the name of new project. So I will write the basic text of HTML, and I will give the title of typing and the what the hell typing the text automatically. So in my body part, I want to open the h2 tag, and I want to give the ID of start. So the text we are going to write in our JavaScript function is gonna be shown inside this h2. So make sure that you write everything correct. And after that, I will open the script tag in order to write my JavaScript. And first, I want to declare a variable with the name of text. And here, you should write the text you are going to show in your typing function. So I will write welcome to Coding Destination channel on YouTube. That's it. Now we should declare speed, and speed is gonna be 50 for now. The speed of typing letters is gonna be 50 for now. And then I want to declare another variable with the name of I, and the value of I is gonna be 0 for now. So now I will write my function, and the name of function will be typing. So I will declare another variable with the name of heading 2, and it's gonna be document dot get element by ID, and it will be start. By doing this, I am taking this h2 with the ID of start to my variable heading 2. So after that, we are going to create if function, and if the value of I is smaller or equal to text.length, so heading 2 dot inner HTML is plus and equal to, so text dot character at I. So for now, if we run this function, if function once, so the value, the inner HTML of h2 is gonna be the character of the text at 0, because the value of I is equal to 0 here, and the character at 0 is W. So in order to write the other letters, we have to increase the value of I every time this function runs. So in order to increase the value of I by 1 every time, we have to write I plus plus. So it will increase the value of I by 1 every time we just run this function. And after that, I'm going to set the timeout. It's gonna be, let's say, typing, and it will be speed. So now I'm going to run my function with the name of typing. So let's open this thing in our browser. Welcome to Coding Destination channel on YouTube. Now I will write some styles using style tag. So style. So here we will write our CSS code. So body, the background color of my body is gonna be, let's say, background color. Background color is gonna be, let's say, 125F. So let's see now. So we cannot see the letter because it's very black, as you can see. So let's give some styles to our h2. So color is gonna be white, and the font. So the size of our font is gonna be 40 pixels. Then I will write margin top, let's say 200 pixels, and I will write text decoration, and it's gonna be underline. So let's open one more time. Let's reload the page. F5. Welcome to Coding Destination channel on YouTube. As you can see, the text is not in the center, and in order to make it in the center, we will just go to our H2 tag here, and we will just set align center. So let's reload the page. As you can see, it's just typing welcome to Coding Destination channel on YouTube. I hope you learned something in my video, and do not forget to subscribe and to share my video, because more and more difficult and useful projects, coding practices are coming soon. Not only in HTML, CSS or JavaScript, I'm going to make some videos in the programming languages like Python or Java in the near future, very, very soon. Thanks for your attention, and see you in the next video.